The Viewst editor includes a grouping feature. To use it, you first need to select the layers you want to combine. You can make the selection either right on the canvas or in the Layers panel on the left. Then click the Group button in the toolbar or open the context menu and choose Group. You can also press the keyboard shortcut. I've just created 2 groups this way. Grouped elements behave as a single object on the canvas. You can move them together, align them, change their stacking order with the toolbar buttons, duplicate them, or delete them. You can also resize the whole group. The relative position and scale of its elements is preserved. If you need to change a single element inside a group, there are 2 ways to reach it. You can select that element in the Layers panel and edit whatever you need. Or select the group first, then double-click the element to edit it directly on the canvas. You can also change what's inside your groups. To add an element to a group, just drag it onto the group in the Layers panel. To remove an element, drag it out of the group's bounds. You can also move elements from one group to another the same way, by dragging. To dissolve a group, click Ungroup in the right sidebar, or use the context menu or the keyboard shortcut, and the group is disbanded.